Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please check out this beautiful haircut that is simple but elegant. It's a hairstyle that really caters for all ages. One thing about the style is that it's a cut that will really make your hair seamless, and it doesn't require those special care. It's a cut that will give you that ultra modern look, and there's always a trade, a chance to trade those Pixie for those edgy boys cut. This styles will really make you say goodbye to those long locks that may be challenging. And one thing about the style is that it's a style that unleashes creativity in styling yet again. I love this style because it's a low maintenance haircut and is suitable for every texture of hair, and is one of the best short natural haircut that will really flatter every woman's face. So make sure to have the hair shorter at the back and shorter by the sides and slightly longer at the top, because you can see how the hair will be so airy and naturally looking as it may seem. This is another beautiful cut for everyone because it will always bring out the sharpness and add overall refinement to your look. So if you really want the styles, so you can take it to your hairstylist to give you this particular style, or anyone you really love at all. You can take it to them, maybe snap it if they say they can't do it, and they're going to give you the particular style you want. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Stay locked to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.